What's up, y'all? It's me, your girl, annoying as DiDi. And as you can see, your girl has towels that needs to be folded. So we're gonna fold some towels. Yes. So y'all, as I told you in the kitchen earlier, if you didn't watch my most recent video, my new hair wash video, please do so. That should be posted tomorrow night, my time, maybe around, I don't know. I'm not gonna tell you the time. I'm gonna surprise you. You're gonna hear that ding.
You recording?
Yep. If you don't hear that ding, it's because your notifications are not on. So make sure you go hit that notification bell when you subscribe. Or if you have already subscribed and your notification is not on and you're watching right now, just go ahead and make sure you hit the bell next to the subscribe button. Okay?